Agrow's New Generics is a report that profiles 45 economically important agrochemicals that are about to come off patent in their major markets. And we've divided this list of AIs into three categories: fungicides, insecticides and herbicides. Generic agrochemicals make an increasingly important part of the ag-chem sector. Agrow's New Generics will help companies to grow their businesses, develop new generic products and keep an eye on their competitors' activities. Each profile contains information on a single active ingredient, including its activity, target pests, crop uses and the countries where a particular product has been approved. But the most important information is contained in the patent section. We have information on world, European, US and Japanese patents, including the principal patent, combination patents, formulations and process patents. In Europe, companies are increasingly using supplementary protection certificates to extend the life of their patents. And we have listed these SPCs that apply to the UK market. Finally, we've included detailed synthesis routes. People who are involved in the agrochemical sector should buy this report, but especially generic manufacturers who want to set out their strategy over the next coming years. Also anybody who wants to supply agrochemical intermediates. And finally, research and development companies who want to keep an eye on what their competitors are doing and when their products are coming off patent should also buy this product. Agrow's New Generics is published as a digital issue. In fact, we're using the same technology that we used to publish Agrow magazine. So many of our readers will be familiar with the format. But the advantages are that we can hyperlink through to copies of the patents on the European Patent Office's websites. Of course, for those people who prefer a hard copy, they can actually print off their own. The Agrow Reports business has been reporting on the generic sector for some time now. And it's important for us in Agrow to talk to our customers. And it was from these conversations that we realised just how important this information is. Of course, searching for patents can be very time consuming, very laborious, and at the end of it ultimately fruitless if there's still a long way to go on a patent before it expires. We're happy and convinced that Agrow's New Generics will help cut out some of that searching time. The Agrow Intelligence editorial team have been looking at research and development trends for some time now. We're used to looking at patents and we've gained a lot of expertise in that particular area. So in some ways we're uniquely qualified to write this report. We've put a lot of effort into it and we're very proud of what we've come up with, and we are convinced that companies will find this report very useful.